Hello everyone. In this video clip, I am going to share with you how to solve a modulus function question. Now this one, the function given here is actually another way of rewriting the modulus function. Y equals to modulus 3x. Okay, simply because when our x is positive, and then our y value will just equals to 3x. But when our x is negative value, you will tend to get a negative value inside, and under the modulus function, the negative will become positive. So in order to make y positive, you got to multiply a negative number with a negative. So just you just need to realize the fact that apart from writing y equals to modulus 3x, we can also write like this. Okay, and with that, we need to look at y equals to 3x, the normal straight line graph. Now, this is a straight line graph because our x is having the index of 1, not 2, not 3, it's 1. Therefore, it's a linear function, it's a straight line graph. And we just need to draw the straight line, and this straight line is passing through the origin, and we need to stop when x is -3 and x equals to 4. So when x equals to -3, y equals to 3 times -3, we got -9. When x equals to 4, y equals to 3 times 4, we got 12. Okay, so let's just sketch on our Cartesian plane. Even though it's sketching, so we still need to try to mark down our scale with a more consistent distance. Yeah, okay, so we have -1, -2, -3, whereby this one, the y-axis, we have the maximum is the values of 12, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so 12 is here, and -2, -4, -6, -8, and -10. So we got our 9 here, -9 here. So when x is -3, our y value is -9. And when x equals to 4, our y value is 12. So use the ruler and join these 2 points passing through the 0. We're supposed to join here. But this is, now this whole line is the normal 3x graph. But under the function of modulus, okay, under the function of modulus, whatever that is negative will become positive. So eventually this number here will be flipped upwards. It's just like a mirror image here. So we fall at the line x-axis. Therefore, instead of -3 to get -9, we got, when it is -3, we got 9. So it's over here. Then we just join. Okay, so it's just like a tick. That's it. Don't draw over then the domain given. Just stop when x equals to -3 and x equals to 4. So we have just done the sketching part. Next, we need to state the range that correspond to domain -1 and 3. So where is x a -1? This one. This whole line is x equals to -1. And this whole line here is x equals to 3. So what is the graph, the y graph in between this windows? Is basically from here to there. So, and then let's look at the corresponding y value. Okay, the y value is here, and the minimum, this is the maximum. What about the minimum? No need to look at this because this is not the minimum. You look at the red line, we want the lowest one. The lowest one is here, and the tallest one is here. So therefore, you will see a box that we, kept this red line inside. So our y values within this box will be our range. Therefore, the minimum y is 0, and the maximum y is 9. Okay, why is it 9? Because when x equals to 3, this one maybe you need to calculate. Okay, if you're not sure, because this is a sketching, okay, this is still a sketching, you can't really get an accurate value from the sketching of the graph. We have to substitute when x equals to 3, what is the value of y? So it's actually, when it is 3, we got 9. So our highest y value within this red line is 9. So we have just done with part 1. Part 2. Part 2, they want us to find the domains. Now it's not just one domain, it's domains, more than one, that correspond to when our y is within 3 to 9. So let me just use the different highlighter. Now the minimum y equals to 3, where is it? It's here. 3 is here, so let's just draw a straight line. And the maximum is 9. Okay, just 9 is here. So what is the y, the line within this yellow box? It's this and this. Okay, it's only the yellow, not so clear. Maybe I just use the blue one. Is this to this. Isn't it? We have two parts of the graph, therefore we have two domainers. Domain refer to the x value. So from this green line, let's look at the corresponding x value. Okay, what is the corresponding x value? All right, now this is a sketch, so not really accurate. We got to find our x on our own. So when y equals to 3, modulus 3x equals to 3. I want to find 3x. Inside could be positive 3 or could be negative 3. So the moment you get rid of the modulus, you put plus minus on the other side. Therefore, x could be positive or negative 1, which is quite accurate from our sketch. So now we know that our domain, the arrow that we draw, negative 3 to negative 1 and 1 to 3 for the green line to exist. Therefore, the domains are x within negative 3 and negative 1, and another one is x within 1 and 3. That's it. So should you have any more question, please leave it in the comment area. I come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.